Hello, welcome back to my channel Star Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about what you should do on Choti Diwali, that is Narka Chaturdashi, as per the Shastra for overall abundance in your life. This, as per the Shastra, this day has given a lot of importance. If you're doing remedies for the, you will be able to overcome the problem like loans, debts, and the health related problem. Not only this, if you're doing remedies on this day, then you will be blessed with the beauty and good health too. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notification from us on the videos that we post. So Choti Diwali, on this day, you have to make sure that if you have a loans and debts on you, or you're facing problem related to the finances, or you don't have a good health or the vitality, in that case, it is advisable that after the sunset, you should pray to Lord Hanuman. You should chant Hanuman Chalisa 3 times, light up a lamp in front of Lord Hanuman, and that should use a mustard oil lamp, and sitting there only you have to chant Hanuman Chalisa and make a wish related to the loans and debts. With the blessings of Lord Hanuman, you will be able to overcome the problems like loans and debts and health related problem. On this date has given a lot of importance for your own protection too. If you're facing any type of issues like sudden death in the family or sudden accident, then on this day you have to make sure that you should lighting up a lamp for Lord Yam in the south direction outside the house. This is going to help you out to protect from any type of sudden events happening in your life like sudden death or sudden accidents. On this day, if you want overall money, abundance, name, fame, success, power, and good speech, then on this day you have to chant or listen or meditate on the mantra, that is Om Aim Reem Kleem Chamundai Viche. The link of this mantra has already been shared in the description. You should listen this mantra and try to meditate on this mantra for at least 108 times for overall success in your life. And the time should be from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and it has given a lot of importance. Even from today, start meditating on this mantra. As per the Shastra, if you're meditating on this mantra, like, you have to close your eyes, use the earphones, and try to listen to this mantra 108 times. While closing your eyes, you have to try to focus on the goddess Lakshmi on this day. This is going to help you out to invite more abundance and the prosperity. Try to do this continuously for 3 months, exactly at the same timing, and the best time to do this should be after the sunset, or even if you do between 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the morning, then also it has given a lot of importance. So try to listen to this mantra 108 times or chant this mantra 108 times. This is going to help you out to invite more abundance, prosperity, overall career success in your life. This day has given a lot of importance. If you're donating clothes to some needy on this day, if you're donating clothes to some needy on this day, then you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life. So if it's possible, then you should donate to your servants or someone in need clothes on this day. Or in other case, you can donate towel to any nearby temple also. That also works similar. On this day, it has been advisable that you should light up a lamp near goddess Lakshmi. You should do aarti of goddess Lakshmi with camphor, ghee, and add a little bit of cardamom in it. This is going to help you out to invite overall abundance in your life. If you still have any questions that what you should do on this day, you can ask me on the comment, and wish you a very and happy and a prosperous Diwali.